My name's Kaine Harris, and I'm a deal sourcer, and I live in Chester. Yeah. yeah. I've been in the academy just. I've been on the academy for 9 months now. Yeah. It's changed completely. Like my lifestyle's changed. The way that I make money's changed. I've grown from making £500 a month on an Amazon business to now 6 grand a month, and I have a hotel. So yeah, it's changed. 17. No, I dropped out of school. I dropped out to get into this business. So yeah, man. I mean, so my family are really proud of me. They're still a bit skeptical. They're like, "Oh, well, make sure you keep going well. Make sure you keep, grafting and going hard." But yeah, no. Other than that, my family are pretty happy. Yeah. 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 Being in the room with 300 people and Samuel on stage as well, the energy just high. Everybody around you is just smiling. Everyone's happy. And Samuel on stage himself, I'm not being funny. I can listen to him for like hours just speaking. So yeah, it's very entertaining and fun. About mentors, yeah. So I can call mentors whenever I want, speak to mentors whenever I want. I'm always happy to help me. Anything that I've got any questions about, I always give them a call. And yeah, and they're very helpful. Yeah, it's changed your mindset because you can be happy making 10 grand today, but somebody's made 50, or somebody makes 100 grand a month and you only make 10. It changes your whole mindset. It changes your like whole worldview and the way you live your life. Really, you have to be there. You have to be in the rooms to understand it, I think. This is a place you should start because we have a community as well. So even if you're struggling, you don't want to tell the mentors that you're struggling. You have people that are in your position. You become business partners and you just come up together. Honestly, everyone around you is always helpful. Everybody wants to bring each other up, and you've got everything here.